myself Vandana. Today our topic is about the conductivity system of a heart. Before going to conductivity system of a heart, we have a quick revision of a structure of a heart and what are the parts of a heart. We have a right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. This is a inferior vena cava. Here we have a superior vena cava. This is a pulmonary artery, and here we have a aorta, which is the largest artery in our body. And this is a tricuspid valve. Here we have a bicuspid valve. This is a pulmonary valve, and this is a aortic valve. Now, what is a conductivity? Conductivity is a transmission of impulses from the SA node to the ventricles for the contraction of the ventricles. So here we have a SA node, which is a sinoatrial node. Sinoatrial node is also known as a SA node. The sinoatrial node generates impulses and transmitted to a right atrium. The impulses are transmitted to the right atrium, and not only to the right atrium, it also transmits the impulses to the left atrium also. So the impulses are transmitted to a left atrium. Now, where it is present just below the superior vena cava near the coronary sinus, the location of the sinoatrial node. Now, it has sent the impulses to the atriums. Now, it is sending the impulses to the atrium, but when the atriums get filled with the blood, it sends the impulses only when the atriums are filled with the blood. So, the atriums are filled with the blood. It sends the signals to the atriums to contract. Now, when the contraction of atrium occurs, the blood flow to the ventricles. Now, the blood flow to the ventricles. Then the signals are taken by the AV valves. Sorry, not AV valves, atrioventricular node. It is a atrioventricular node. Now, these atrioventricular node take the signal and it sends the signals to the bundle of his. Here we have a bundle of his. The bunch of fibers together form a bundle of his. Here we have a bundle of his. Now, the impulses are transmitted from the AV node to the bundle of his. Now, from the bundle of his, the signals transmit towards the interventricular septum, and from the interventricular septum, it bifurcates. It takes towards the right and it takes towards the left. It takes the branches which arise, which taken towards the right is the right branches, right ventricular branches, and towards the left we have a left ventricular branches. Now these branches again they have a small branches. These are known as the Purkinje fibers. These are the Purkinje fibers. So when the transmission of signal, when the signal is transmitted from the AV node to the bundle of his and from the bundle of his to the Purkinje fibers, the ventricles contract and the blood flow from the right ventricle. The blood flow from the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery and left ventricle to the aorta for their functions. So this is the function, this is the conductivity of a heart. Now we are saying that SA nodes generate the impulses. How much it generates the impulses? It generates 70 impulses per minute. Not only the SA node only we generate the impulse. We have another node which is the atrioventricular node. It also generates the impulses, but not as much as the SA node. It generates 60 impulses per minute. Okay, this is about the impulses and how the impulses are transmitting from the atriums to the ventricles. In conductivity of heart, atrioventricular node has a special feature. It delays the signal from the SA node. Why? What is the reason for delay is it will the blood from the atrium has to enter the ventricle. So the entry of blood from the atrium to the ventricles needs some time. If there is no delay of AV node signal, the signal passes very quickly within a few seconds to the bundle of His, and from the bundle of His it may transmit to the Purkinje fibers, which leads to the contraction of ventricles. So the ventricles may contract without filling of blood into the ventricles. So after filling of blood from the atrium to the ventricles, then only it takes the signal from the SA node and it transmits the impulse to the bundle of His immediately, so that the after filling of ventricles only the ventricles can contract. So this is the most important function of the atrioventricular atrioventricular node, which is delaying the impulse for the filling of the ventricles and prevent the contraction of ventricles before filling the blood in the ventricle. This is about the conductivity of the heart. In next class we'll have about a new topic, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel Paramedical STEM, and click the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Thank you.